Ocean.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you like what you see. We're going right in with the Morphe Picasso palette. I'll be using this palette for the rest of the video. We're gonna put that yellow color right on the crease, focusing on the outer edges to give more intensity to those areas. I'm now adding the orange shade to the center of my lid and blending it outward. Now I'm adding that red color to give it more dimension. Okay, so right now I'm going in with the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Witches. And I'm using that to cut my crease. I'm not putting it like all over the lid, I'm just using it to blend it towards the center, because then I'm gonna add another shade in there so it really pops. Next, I'm going in with the Fit Me concealer right on the center of my lid, and I'm using my pinky to blend that out. I feel like your fingers are sometimes the best makeup tools because the natural heat of your body makes everything blend better on the skin. I don't know, that's just how I feel. Now I'm putting some glitter on the center of my lid. You can use whatever glitter you like, just be very careful when using glitter near your eyes. Next, I'll be adding some Jeffree Star highlight to the inner corners of my eyes. Once again, using my fingers to make it blend better. Now just put some mascara on. I'm using the Better Than Sex mascara. I probably should have done this step before I put on mascara, but whatevs. We're just gonna roll with it. I'm just adding the same shades as I did on my top lid to the bottom lash line. And now you just blend everything out until you no longer have any arms. And now I'm attempting to show you how I do the top liner. My only advice would be to take your time, breathe, be relaxed while you're doing your eyeliner, or else it's not gonna come out, girl. Now I know you can't really see this part, but I'm just adding a bunch of little dots on top of the line that we just made. You can add whatever shape you like, I just like dots. And now we're finished. Thank you so much for watching the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Okay, bye.
Ocean.